Shuman, given the way the pitch looks, would you be tempted to play extra seamer? And also, are you playing Kuldeep in this test match?
Sir, you'll get to know our playing 11 and combination, I think, tomorrow. Yes, given how the weather looks like and how the conditions are, we would be tempted to have a third seaming option. But I think there's still some time for the test, and I think once we come tomorrow in the morning and see how much moisture is there in the wicket, we'll take a call.
The shortest sort of turnaround time you've had between a white ball series to a test match, and just in the nets, how have you tried to sort of prepare the best you can?
Yes, I think so. We had, I think, a couple of days of practice before the test match. So yes, it was a quick turnaround. I was just sort of looking to work on defense and sort of trying to get in the zone. I think switching formats is more mental than it is about technique. That's what I believe in. So I was just trying to work on getting into my zone. Sir, we are looking to play some hard grinding cricket. I mean, over the past few years, if you'll see the test matches in India don't really go up to like 5 days. So what we are really looking to do is to play some good hard cricket. All the test matches that we played in England went pretty deep, and I mean, I don't think it's from the cricket that you can what the people can expect from us is good hard grinding cricket, and we wouldn't be looking for any easy out options. And I think we've got the skill set to be able to play on any kind of wicket or any situation, and the kind of talent that we have on the team, we can, I think, turn around from any situation. So that's what we'll be looking to play.
Shubman, you're part of the side, obviously, which lost to New Zealand last year, which was one-off in a lot of ways. How important is it that this is the start of the new sort of home cycle in the new championship, that to make a statement at the beginning of the series, at the beginning of the campaign, so to say?
Very important, sir. Every series, I think we're playing in India after almost a year. The last series that we played here was also, I think, around this time in September, October. And any series that we play anywhere in the world is as important to us as any series. And yes, we'll be able to. Yes, we will be looking to dominate the series like any other series or any other match that we play.
Shubman, you obviously played such a great series in England, and it was praised a lot because all the test matches went to 5 days, and it ended up being a thrilling series. Now, as the captain, you obviously have the mandate to ask for the kind of wickets that you would like to play on. So, would you be tempted, to see what happened in England and ask for truer, better pitches in India as well, which would be a deviation from what the previous regimes had done?
Sir, I can't really speak about what were the conversations before I came, but yes, we would be looking to play on wickets that offer both to the batsman and to the bowlers. But having said that, I think any challenge for any team that comes to India, they know that the challenge is going to be spin and reversing. Those are the two things that if teams play spin well and if they can challenge the reverse swing, they are going to get good success. So keeping these challenges in mind, we would be looking to play on wickets that offer both to the batsman and to the bowler.
Shubman, Siddharth here from the PTI. You're captaining India and in overseas. What difference does it make for you, and how much bigger challenge it is in India captaining the side again here and leading the side here?
So for me, I think it's the same wherever, as a captain or as a player, wherever in the world you're playing, you're looking to win the match and you're looking to contribute in every way possible as a player, as a captain, or even if you're not playing, you're looking to contribute to the team, to make your team win. So I think the challenge is going to be no less for us. It is a very important series for us, and this cycle to be able to get into the World Test Championship final is very important for us, and uh, we'll be playing with everything that we have got. Yes, it is. I mean, when you're going from the shortest to longest is probably, I think, the hardest. When you go from T20 to one day and then test, it's probably more easier than going from test to T20 or T20 to test. And some of the things that, like I said, I just try to get in the zone. That zone is nothing just, watching the ball well for me, and to be able to decide the areas that you're gonna, for me as a batsman, decide the areas, which areas am I going to defend and which areas am I going to attack, and just identifying those areas, and then the mental side comes in, how much control and how much patience does one have to be able to stick to that process. So I think we're going to take a call from match to match basis, depending on uh, how long a test match goes and how much overs do our fast bowlers bowl. So nothing is pre-decided. We're going to take a call once the test match is over, and uh, how our fast bowlers feel and how their bodies feel after the match. I mean, the wickets, the weather and the wickets that we have in India, uh, it will be difficult to follow that template. But when you have such quality in your team, someone like Kuldeep, who is such a wicket taker for us, and in all the formats, didn't get a chance to play in England, which was very unfortunate. Here, I think playing four spinners and spinners of such quality, when you have Washington, Dwayne Jadeja, Kuldeep Aksar, you are always tempted, but you also have to, look at the batting depth, and you have to look at how the wicket is going to play, and you have to just, I think, weigh in your options, which player can give you a little bit more on that kind of a surface, and those are the calls I think we will take depending on how we think the wicket is going to play and what challenges we are going to face. Sir, I don't know about that if we would be releasing the players once the 11 is decided, because we still have to give concussion substitutes. The rule is now changed. You have to, I think, nominate different players for different roles in concussion substitute. And what was the other question, sir? Sir, I've mostly played T20 here, and I think it's very different from playing a test match, because obviously the wicket over a period of 5 days plays differently from a T20 match. The last test match that we played here was on a black soil. We are playing this one on a red soil. So I am actually, I am also looking forward to see how the wicket is going to play over the next 5 days. Yes, all are available.
Shubman, just wanted to pick your thoughts on the year that Ravindra Jadeja has had in particular. He had an excellent tour of England where he did very well as a batter in particular, and before the series he was named the vice captain. At one point it didn't look like he would be somewhere near the leadership group, but now he's your deputy. What are your thoughts on that?
I think in the past couple of years, the kind of form that he has shown, we always knew, playing Jaddubai in India is always a difficult task, but the kind of form he's shown with the batting, that's the reason I think he's become our number 6 batter in test matches. And I think over the past 2 years, he's been in tremendous form, and he's gotten us out of situations where we were in a bit of difficulty. And someone like him who has had so much experience under his belt, and to be able to be so consistent at this level for such a long time is just tremendous.
Hi, Shuman. Shuman, 2 months in England, nearly a month in Dubai. Now you have 2 tests at home, then a white ball leg in Australia, then 2 more tests. As a batter, as a test captain, is that thought of workload management for a batter kicking in? Do you want to alter your preparations just to go easy, because there's so much cricket? So how do you plan to stay fresh? Because a lot of things you need to manage now that you're the test captain and vice captain in the white ball formats too.
So I'm honestly just looking at what do I have the next week, and I'm not really thinking too much ahead. For me, I don't think for a batsman it is more of a physical fatigue. I think the fatigue is more mental for a batsman. It's a little different for a bowler. So as of now, I feel fresh and my body is ready. And I think I'm also, like I said, just looking at what do I have to do this week and next week, and that's how I think I'll be taking my decisions.